personalized finance, I think, is the mecca where everyone eventually wants to go. And it's built from the ground up, sort of modular products from the beginning. I think that's a really tough concept to execute because of the way the systems are built today. But I think there will be banks and providers that go and carve this modularized products where today the model is product managers sit behind a desk, read all these reports, and basically put a product out there and then market it really hard and guess what will work to a large degree. Pretty educated guesses, but at the end of the day, it's a guess. Whereas, can you make a construct where someone can personalize their product for themselves and it's in the right heuristics, it's in the right modeling, and with enough data, the bank feels very comfortable to provide that product and start to switch things on and off because of, profitability thresholds, and it's programmed into the model, a lot more data and insight and comfortableness so that you can really just choose